Okay, hello everyone. Guys, let's take a look at this worksheet. All right, it's 6 problems. Let's just do them, okay? Guys, all I did is rewrite this a little bit bigger. Guys, I look at the two, 18 and 63. Which number is smaller? 18. So I just go ahead and first I just do 18. And I factor it into factored pairs. So we got 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. I guess that's it. All right. Now, of these 6 numbers right here, what's the biggest one that's also a factor of 63? So just start here. Is 18? No. How about 9? Yep, 9. So I can factor 9 out of each of these. Now, how many r's can I take out? Well, there aren't any r's in this thing at all. That's just 63. There's no r there, so I can't take out any r's at all. I can just take out 9. So the way I do this, guys, once I identify the greatest common factor of 9, I just divide each term by 9. And then I write what the answer is. Now, first we write 9. All right, 18 divided by 9 is 2. Okay, so this is just 2r squared. Don't forget about the r squared. And 63 divided by 9 is 7. That's the answer. All right, that's it. Let's do the next one. Now look at the two numbers, 24 and 8. Now first just ask yourself, is 8 a factor of 24? Yeah, 8. We're done. We can take an 8 out of both of these. Now how many b's? There's 2 b's here and 7 of them here. I can take 2 of them out of each one. Again, the 2 is smaller than 7. I can take 2 out of each one. So each one of these I can take 8b squared out of each one. All right? So now let's write our answer. It's 8b squared times something. All right, 24 divided by 8, that's 3. Now there's 7 b's on top and 2 on the bottom. So 2 of them cancel out. So that leaves us with 7 on the top. Again, 7 minus 2 is 5. We're left with 5 on top. 5 on top. Plus, guys, 8b squared divided by 8b squared, that's 1. This is just 1. All right, that's our answer. Again, you can check. 8 times 3 is 24. B squared times b to the 5th, that's b to the 7th. And then 8b squared times 1, that's 8b squared. All right, you can just check your answer if you want. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, guys, pretty easy to identify that negative 6 is going to come out of both of these. All right? And there's 3 x's in this one and 4 in this one, so I can take 3 out of both. So what I'm going to take out of here is negative 6x to the 3rd. Again, negative 6x to the 3rd. I just do that to divide, okay? All right, so that's the first factor in our answer. That's a monomial. The greatest common factor here is a monomials you're taking out. And then we're left with a binomial. All right, negative 6 divided by negative 6, that's just 1. There's 4 x's, take away 3 x's, that leaves us with 1x. 4 minus 3 is 1, so just 1x. All right, negative 6 x to the 3rd over negative 6x to the 3rd, this is 1. This is just 1 right here, okay? And remember, guys, this is plus 1, right? Because we already took the negative out. All right, let's do number 4. Again, of these three numbers, 16, 24, and 28, which is the smallest? 16. Is that a factor of both of these? Nope. So we got to break down 16 then. I guess I'll do it over here. 16, and I'm going to put negative. Well, just put 6. I'll put 16. All right, that's 1 times 16, or it could be 2 times 8. Let's see, 3, nope. 4, yep, 4 times 4. Okay. Of these 6 numbers, what's the largest number that's also a factor of 28 and 24? 16, no. 8, no. 8 is not a factor of 28, but 4 is. 4 is our answer. 4 is the greatest common factor of the coefficients. And there's 2 x's here. That's the smallest one. I can take 2 x's out of each one of those two. So x squared is what we're also going to take out. All right, so I'm going to do negative 4. So I'm going to take negative 4 and 2 x's out. So this one, I take negative 4 and 2 x's out. And this one, same thing, negative 4, x squared. And that's how our answer starts. That's the first factor in our factored form. All right? Negative 16 divided by negative 4, that's 4. X to the 4th divided by x squared, this leaves us with 2 left. Again, 4 minus 2 is 2. All right, 24 divided by 4 is 6. And again, this is plus 6. 3 x's on top, 2 on the bottom, leaves us with 1 on top. Last one is plus. 28 divided by 4 is 7. That's it, guys. Because x squared divided by x squared disappears. It's out here. Yeah, just look at your answer. That last term was negative 28x squared. Sure it is. All right, check your answer. Negative 24x to the 3rd. Yep, right there. Okay. 2 more to go. I'm going to have to hurry up. Number 5, let's see. The smallest number is 28. So start with that. 1 and 28. 2 and 14. 3, no, 4, yep, 4 and 7. I guess that's it. All right, 28 is not a factor. 14, no. 7, no. 4, again. 4 goes into 36 and 32. That's the biggest one. All right, and there's two V's is the smallest. So I'm dividing each of these by 4v squared. 4v squared. 4v squared. That's the greatest common factor. All right, 36 divided by 4, that's 9. 9v squared. 4 v's, subtract 2 v's, now I got 2 left. All right, plus 28 divided by 4 is 7. V to the 3rd divided by v squared is with 1 v on top. All right. 32 divided by 4, that's 8. All right, I forgot to put, 4 v squared. I'll circle this. This is our answer. Again, guys, I've given you the answers. You have the answer, so they're included in the worksheet. Last one, guys. I have to hustle here. I'm running out of time. All right. The smallest number is 4. That's already a factor of both 16 and 28. So 4, I just take out 4. Now this just says negative 16. There's no n here at all. So I can't take an n out of each one of these because this one doesn't have an n. So our greatest common factor here is just 4. All right, so I can write our answer like this: 4. You know, kind of run out of ink here or something. All right. 28 divided by 4 is 7. N squared. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So this is just plus n. 16 divided by 4 is 4 minus 4. And that's the answer, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Try that exit ticket. I think you'll do okay with it. And again, you need some help. You got questions? Go ahead and email me. And I'll show you this again in case you need it. All right, that's it, guys. You can always stop the video, too. Thanks.